my darling Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we, my darlings? Are we living and are we loving? I got this fabulous blouse, my darling, from Kate Moss. Kate Moss did a wonderful capsule collection and she had this fabulous blouse. Let me just get up so that you can see. And I absolutely lived and loved it. And then guess what? Look at the tweet in the back. It is backless, darling. Yes, yes, yes. I absolutely love it. And the skirt is an oldie, but a kind of goldie. So why are we here, darlings? We are here because we had something along the lines of what? The Fashion Awards in London. Yes. And we had none other than beautiful Rihanna and her wonderful hubby looking quite adorable and cute. So, what do I think about Rihanna? I loved the hat. I love the hat. I love the ensemble. And she's wearing heels very similar to mine. Can you see? Love, 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 love. And I think it's fashion. And I think that it's apropos. She's doing very well. You're a beautiful mother of two. You look gorgeous. It's cold in London. So this was very appropriate as far as I am concerned. Her partner looked gorgeous as well. I lived for it. I thought it was fun. It is, again, like I said, it's about fashion. So you can go a little bit extreme. I love the hat. But honestly, is it difficult to carry off? Yes. Does she have that on her head throughout the event? I've been to this show years ago, and it's a long night, but I love the color. I love the fabulosity of it, and it is very ideal for editorial, for a centerfold in a magazine. But I liked it. Nice to see you, Rihanna, especially in these neck of the woods. We also had Venus Williams, and she was in Thorn Brown. Okay, I love the suit. I think it's a dress. It's a dress suit. I love the wide lapel on the jacket. And the makeup made her look like somebody else. I think she looks gorgeous. I think the eye makeup was a bit too heavy, too strong. But I do see it's an improvement. And the hair is gorgeous. The hair is gorgeous. I almost did not know who this was. You let me know. Okay? Let me know. Jordan Dunn. And she was wearing Christian Dior. Beautiful. She's got the body, she's got the legs. I love animal print. What is there to say? I love the long gloves. I thought it was absolutely adorable. Absolutely adorable. Gorgeous. I love it. 110%. Sorry, I forgot to mention to you also that Rihanna was wearing Christian Lacroix for winter 2002, as well as Yves Saint Laurent sandals. And I love the sequin in the back. And Asprey Rocky was wearing Bottega Veneta. We had Jodie Turner-Smith, and she was wearing Burberry. Love the dress. I did not care for the hair. I'll be honest. Love the dress. I did not care for the hair. She's a beautiful, beautiful chocolate, oh, no milk kind of complexion goddess. But I didn't understand the hair, and I'll keep it at that. We had Leomi Anderson, and she wore Iris Van Harpen, and she looked like a cloud. She looked beautiful. She looked ethereal. She just looked like sky. Beautiful. Against her complexion, there was nothing to be said. I absolutely lived for it. The makeup, gorgeous. The heels, gorgeous. Manicure, pedicure, go right ahead, mama. I live and I love. Absolutely. Halle Bailey was there, and she was wearing Ellie Misner. And she was smiling and she had her hair all done and the dress was a dream. It looked like droplets were coming off of her dress. The corset was immaculate and she looked absolutely beautiful, and just as beautiful as the model who showcased it as well. I have no words. We also have Chloe Bailey, and she wore, let me just double check this, Atsuku Kudo Couture. She was the diva, looking gorgeous in that couplet and scallop dress. They came hand in hand and they look cute, adorable. I sign off on it, my darlings. Yes, baby, go right ahead and do your thing. Then we had Julia Fox, and Julia Fox was wearing Dilara Findokoglu. The dress is immaculate. Immaculate. The precision. You wear a nude thong with this. But she looked like a ghost, and I'm sure that was the intent. But it didn't translate. You looked as if somebody bust a box of powder in your face, but you were so late that you just had to go as is. And it's giving me Halloween. And I know it's fashion, but sometimes fashion can go left, and it went left in this case. It was not meant to do that. It just looked like somebody just poofed onto your face. If you want to give us ghost, then you have to balance it out. But you have all that white in your eyes, then that's what it looks like. I'm sorry, mama, but it's a no-go for me. Then we had Thames Baby, and she was wearing Dilara Fidkoju. You look like a swan. You look like a beautiful swan that came to play with us. I love the minimalistic makeup. I love the minimalistic jewelry. You look beautiful. Oh, and I listen to your music, darling. It's so soothing and so groovy at the same time. Oh, when I tell you. We have Michelle Lamy. She wore Rick Owens. Let us be grateful that she's still with us, and she's very spirited. I don't understand the outfit, and I'm not going to even try. And I still have to give Mama her respect and flowers. So we thank God that she is here and spirited. We have Nicola Cogan. Nicola, darling, you look divine in this blue sateen. And it's this black velvet. It does look like it is rich. It complements your figure so well. I don't have any words. And the model wore it in red, and it was just as enchanting as it is in sky blue. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Very, 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 very well done. I like it. It's nice. It's nice. I like it when you make an effort. Then we have Issa Rae, and she's wearing Roland Moran. Issa Rae is just everything to me. You know, I love her. I love her simplicity. I love the straightforwardness about her as well. It's beautiful. It is very beautiful. I love her makeup. I can see her eyes. I can see her lip. I can see her makeup. That skin is just giving. It is gorgeous. She is gorgeous. And this is really beautiful. I think it's velvet. And then she had white sandals, which was yummy. I haven't seen that in a minute. But when I look at it, it works. It works. Black and white. And then we have Anokai, and she's wearing Galliano, like a bird. We have Ming-Lee Simmons, and she's wearing a gold dress. She's got pasties on, very, very slim, I see, with a gold mesh dress. I like the dress. I just wish that, and it's, well, you know what, she doesn't have my bra line, that she had, and Fumi, you're giving it away. A bralette skirt. What's a bralette skirt? It's a bra that has a little flap to cover the bust. You're going to live for it. And I designed it specifically for dresses like this. That's all I can tell you. And then we have my darling Preciously, and she's one of my favorites. I just love her. She was wearing this chocolate divine number, the makeup, the hair, the gorgeousness. I lived and loved. Simone Ashley, and Simone Ashley was wearing the most beautiful custom dress, Prada. Tinkerbell vibes. That's all I can tell you. Mona Petal in Lacroix, and she just looked like some beautiful metal statue. I liked it. I liked the hair. It was beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Alexa Chung. And the coat, the dress, the heels are very nice, but she looks like she's going to a dinner in a restaurant. It wasn't red carpet extraordinaire, if you know what I mean. So I didn't, you know, it just didn't give me anything. Then we had Montclair, and what can I say? The coat is beautiful. The coat is what? The coat is absolutely beautiful. Then we had Alex Consani, and she didn't look, and you know the funny thing, she won Model of the Year. That goes to show you how much airbrushing and, you know, smoothing to make a model look fabulous, because she did not look great. She did not look great. On the red carpet here, like I said, she looked hungry, she looked hangry, she looked cold, and the legs are nothing to write home about. I don't even know whether she has a pedicure. Not the best at all. But here we are giving her an award. What does that say to younger women? What does that say to younger girls? That they should look like this, and we will applaud it. We cannot send mixed messages. Do not forget, my darlings, to like, to subscribe, hit the notification button, and I will see you. What? I'll see you sooner than later. All of my love.